Come on, how dead is this sucker? She might go. She just don't want to go, does she? These dang Fords, man. But I got this made for Ove. Look at this sucker. OTD 2025 with the fleet on there. Look at how epic it is. He's busy out there working away, so I'm gonna leave it here in the office for him. But what do you think, guys? How sick is that? Let's go. Let's see what 2026 is gonna bring. Probably gonna sound pretty nasally in today's video. I'm trying to kick this sinus infection and it's just terrible. I probably should be in bed or on the couch today, but who could rest at a time like this? I've got one heck of a story for you guys today, and such a random story. It's so funny. So I noticed a couple weeks ago my neighbor got like a 24 or a 25 L5P Duramax, super clean, and I go, oh man, he must have got rid of his Powerstroke because he used to drive that thing by my house all the time, wave, you know, give it a little, because Diesel brothers, you know. Anyways, yeah, he'd go by the house all the time in that truck. So I was like, oh, that's cool. About time he upgraded, you know. The other one was getting old and stuff. And so I was snapping Ovi back and forth, and I noticed in the background of the shop a white Powerstroke that looked oddly familiar to me. I go, dude, what's that white truck in the background? He said, this one? I'm like, yeah, dude, I think that's my neighbor's truck, old truck. He's like, no way. I said, show me again. He showed me a picture, and I'm like, yeah, dude, that's got to be my neighbor's truck. Did he bring it through for some reason? And Ovi goes, yep, fuel system went out. Ended up buying it from him. I wish he would have fixed it, but I bought it. I'm like, dude, last thing you need is another truck. That's so funny, but it's still a really nice truck, I think. So I couldn't believe Ovi ended up fixing that, putting a new fuel system in it. We'll have to see what all he did to it. And then I want to take it for a drive and kind of take you guys through this truck. It's honestly a flip vehicle. It's going to go right out the door, but I might fall in love with it too. Probably. I fall in love with every diesel truck, but so random. It just, what are the odds the keys to your neighbor's truck end up in your hands? So we're going to get down, see what Ovi's up to, and I'm going to show you guys this truck. And voila, here it is, boys. Look at this steel body Ford we got out here, sitting up way high. Well, not way high, but pretty decent size height. I don't know what kind of lift he's got on there. Rough country, maybe a 4 or a 6, something like that. What size tires we got on there? Oh, ridge grabs. All right, got the 37 1350s, boy, with about -5% tread left, but that's okay. Comes with the complimentary dirt 6.7 Powerstroke, boy. Got the lights missing out of the mirrors, but you know what? She is thick, boy. She a Bubba truck or something. Look at there, smoked out tails, a little bit of a hitch. Missing the plastic on top of the tailgate there. Plenty of shingles in here if you want to roof your house when you get done. Comes with the deal. Toolbox. Is he giving away all these tools for real? What the heck's going on? Why is that thing loaded down with tools, boy? I don't understand. Some people just don't clean their stuff out before they sell it. But more treasures, right? Who doesn't love treasures? I do. I don't know if she sounds good or not. We'll have to see. Oh, they're fuels. Must have hit a curb or 10 with them wheels there. But yeah, I kind of like the tail box look. Not bad. Gosh, it's so cold out here. This thing is clap, boy. Oh yeah. Got some Nerf bars. What are we hitting with this thing? What in the world keeps getting hit, boy? She is a unit, though. Everything is a little fogged over. She rough, boy, but she runs with the new fuel system in there. Let's go ahead and see if we can pop the hood. Pop the hood, boy. Pop the hood. She didn't pop. Come on, what's going on? Why didn't she pop? Don't she pop? Come on. How many times I got to do it now? Oh. There she go. Man, what in tarnation, boy. Fords, I tell you. Oh, she's stock, boy, but got that new fuel system installed. So that's why these things tend to go. When you got to put a new fuel system in there, new pump, CP4 pump, got all the lines, got new injectors, which are crazy expensive. Anytime you got a new fuel system, it could easily run you 10, 15 grand. So again, this thing did just get down here. Ovi scooped it up, put a brand new fuel system in it, guys. So come down, scoop this thing up. 12.5, not bad. I kind of want it, but I'd love to put some, it's got 37s, so we could run like 26s on there and some wides. That would be epic. Okay, so here we are inside. Looks like just the standard cloth interior. Doesn't look too terrible in here. Look, it's still got all kinds of construction stuff in here. A couple stains there on the seat and the headliner. Even got another headlight in there if we need it. All kinds of stuff in here. It needs a good cleaning for sure, but it should probably clean up just fine, I would think. Nothing too crazy. Flip up bench seat here in the middle. Got the carpets, got some floor mats, you know. Just a bone stock basic truck here. Nothing too crazy to see. You know, just checking everything here. No screen, does the Ford thing. Oil change required, 4x2. Drive safely. Uh-oh, she dead as a doornail, boy. 318,000 miles. She got a couple miles on her. Automatic headlights are on, okay? These Ford things are just crazy, aren't they? Got that Ford key again, boy. But she dead. We might have to jump start her. But yeah, it definitely feels tall. And the windshield is cracked, boy. Oh, come on now. A little bit of wear and tear there, but you know, definitely feels like a jump getting up in there, boy. I do like the door handles, though. Definitely like the door handles. Can see in the rear here. What's that little saw, boy? Little saw action. Okay. This thing is coming in handy already. Let's see if we can find the battery, boy, right there. Holy cow. Now, I'll turn this booger on. 100%. That green, that's green. Okay. Gosh. Oh. Where's that key? It is a step up in here. That is nice. Let's see. Oil change required. Come on. How dead is this sucker? She might go. She just don't want to go, does she? These dang Fords, man. Maybe try the other battery? What's that juice at? Let's try over here. There we go. This stupid thing. Okay, maybe I don't want this truck. You guys get this truck. Ooh, closer, boy. Give it just a second. She'll go, folks. My hands need to go because they're icy cold. They're turning so red, boy. She just so dang dead. Well, I guess she ain't gonna start right now, but she does. Okay, you're just gonna have to take our word for it. Ovi was literally just ripping it around yesterday, so I don't know what the heck's going on. Is that juice going down? Yeah, stay on. Green. 95. Why don't you want to go? Alright, well, we're just gonna leave it at that, ain't we? Alright, so I am back a week later. I feel a lot better. Definitely, my voice is back, which is good, but it's not any warmer. In fact, it's actually colder. It was negative 40 yesterday, and with the wind today, it's about negative 10. So the truck really ain't gonna start, but I did want to go ahead and show you guys one more time here. It did start with the jumper cables. I don't know why the jump pack didn't touch it. Probably because it was completely dead. Ovi said it sat out here for at least a month before they even worked on it. So we will get out here once it warms up a little bit, because I'm not gonna make it very long today in the cold, but we will get it up for you guys so you guys can see it moving in action. But you're going to want to buy probably a couple batteries for it, and he is going to clean out the tools and stuff, the original owner, so you won't be getting all the tools. So he ain't been down here yet, it looks like. But again, if you guys want a nice square looking truck, square body, it's not a square body, what is it? Steel body. That's what they are. Ford boy things, steel body. Yep, nice. Oh, she locked, boy. Ain't got the code or the keys. But yeah, just wanted, I forgot those couple things before I did the last video. So here it is. 6.7 Powerstroke things, guys. What you think? So yeah, there you go, guys. Steel body 6.7 Powerstroke. Again, it could be yours, only $12,500. So it's pretty much with the cost of the new fuel system. It's basically like buying a fuel system and getting a free truck, right? All you're gonna need is a couple batteries and a set of tires, or you can just keep those slick 37s on there, boy. But a nice opportunity to own like a solid used truck, you know. It's really not bad for the miles either. Again, it was a construction vehicle, so racked up a ton of highway miles, and I don't really know the whole history on it, but I know for the price, it's a heck of a steal. So hit us up if you do want it. If it does stay a while, I'm going to get more and more antsy to want to keep it and do stuff with it. Again, we will get it out for a drive. Sorry, again, it wouldn't start. The weather's just been absolutely horrible for trying to film or want to be outside in general at all. So anyways, if it was spring right now, I'm sure I would be wanting to buy a bunch of stuff for it. I'd be like, oh, don't let it go just yet, buddy. Get a nice piping kit, air intake, and a bunch of cool engine bay goodies to clean that sucker up. Just because we haven't really done that with the Fords yet, and I want to, but we'll see. I also have the 6.4 down there that OV's selling to show you guys, so stick around for the next video, and we'll try to get a 6.4 going too. I don't know. It's either going to be the 6.7 again or the 6.4, but we got Powerstroke clunkers for days, so hit them up, guys. I also noticed Ove on Snapchat, figured out why he can sell things so fast. He's got almost 1,000 followers on the Snap, like 991 or something. So yeah, guys, follow Ovi on the Snapchat, follow us on the Instagram, subscribe here on the YouTube channel, and yeah, just lots of fun diesel stuff coming. We love this stuff, and we love all of you guys. You guys are the best. You keep us going. So thank you guys for everything. We'll see you in the next one. God bless you all. Peace.